Hey there, politics enthusiasts. Today I'm diving into Vice President General, retired Dr. Constantino Chiwenga's tour of SADC projects. Buckle up, because this tour is packed with exciting stops and significant developments. First up, Chiwenga's journey kicked off at the RGM International Airport. Now, airports might seem like just another travel hub, but they're actually critical to a country's economy and international reputation. Chiwenga's visit here underscores the importance of modernizing and maintaining these gateways to the world. Next on the itinerary was the Airport Road Beautification Project. Picture this: lush green spaces, clean sidewalks, and a welcoming environment leading to and from the airport. This project is more than just aesthetics. It's about creating a positive first impression for visitors and boosting local morale. Moving on, Chiwenga visited the Rainbow Tourism Group. This is a big deal because tourism brings in revenue, creates jobs, and showcases the country's rich culture and natural beauty. The focus here is on enhancing facilities and services to attract more tourists. It's all about making Zimbabwe a top destination on the African continent. Next stop, the Museum of African Liberation in Warren Park, Harare. This place is a treasure trove of history, a testament to the struggles and triumphs of African nations in their quest for independence. Chiwenga's tour here highlights the importance of preserving and celebrating our past while educating future generations. But the tour doesn't stop there. Chiwenga will also be inspecting road infrastructure projects. Good roads are the veins of any thriving economy, essential for transportation, trade, and everyday life. This part of the tour is crucial for understanding how Zimbabwe is investing in its future by building and maintaining robust infrastructure. And let's not forget the presidential villas. These aren't just luxurious residences, they're symbols of national pride and hospitality, often hosting important dignitaries and events. Chiwenga's visit here is a nod to the importance of having top-notch facilities for hosting international guests and showcasing Zimbabwe's progress. In summary, Vice President Chiwenga's tour of SADC projects is about more than just visiting sites. It's about envisioning a prosperous Zimbabwe, connecting the past with the future, and ensuring that every step taken is towards growth and development. Thanks for joining me on this whirlwind tour. Stay tuned for more updates and insights from the world of politics. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more engaging content. Until next time, take care.